Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Rifat Tabassum, Associate Professor, Bosundhara Uddin Medical College, South Keranganj, Dhaka. Today we are going to discuss about nutritional disorder. What is nutritional disorder? Nutritional disorders are disorders caused by an insufficient intake of food or certain nutrients or by overconsumption of certain foods. Nutritional disorder can be classified into two groups, undernutrition and overnutrition. Undernutrition included protein energy malnutrition, kwashiorkor, marasmus, marasmic kwashiorkor and underweight child. And number 2 is specific nutrient deficiency. It included iron deficiency anemia, iron deficiency goiter, vitamin A deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, that is rickets, vitamin C deficiency, that is scurvy, and overnutrition included obesity and dietary induced dyslipidemia. Now, protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition is a very common nutritional disorder in developing country including our Bangladesh. Protein energy malnutrition are three types: kwashiorkor, marasmus and marasmic kwashiorkor. Now, kwashiorkor. It is a type of malnutrition results from inadequate intake of protein with relatively adequate energy intake. Here protein deficiency will be prominent. It is found in children between 1 to 5 years of age. It occurs primarily due to inadequate intake of protein when the weaning children predominantly contains carbohydrate. The clinical features are growth retardation, edema, moon face, diarrhea, apathy and discoloration of hair and skin. Biochemical changes of kwashiorkor: serum albumin less than 2 gram per deciliter, plasma retinol binding protein reduce, serum potassium level reduced due to presence of diarrhea, blood urea may decrease, urinary creatinine reduce, vitamins and minerals decreased, and hypomagnesemia. Now, marasmus. It results from chronic deficiency of calories. It mainly occurs in children below 1 year of age. It is usually observed in children when food contains watery cereals to supplement to mother's milk. The clinical features: children look like a old person with skin and bone due to muscle wasting. There is severe muscle wasting, growth retardation, anemia and weakness. The treatment of protein energy malnutrition: administration of adequate protein and calories, control of infection and treatment of associated disorder. Now, why edema occur in kwashiorkor? It is an important clinical feature of kwashiorkor, that is edema. Edema occurs due to inadequate plasma protein, especially albumin. Albumin normally maintains the plasma colloidal osmotic pressure, which regulates the distribution of fluid between intra and extracellular vascular compartment. As albumin decreases, colloidal osmotic pressure reduces, which results in decreased inward force to retain water in the vascular compartment, and fluid passes to the interstitial spaces that causes edema. Now, included obesity. It is included in overnutrition. Obesity is a disorder of body weight regulatory system characterized by an accumulation of the excess fat in the body. Obesity is usually diagnosed on the basis of calculation of body mass index, measurement of waist hip ratio. The anatomical types are android morphotype and gynoid morphotype. Etiology of obesity: genetics and environmental factors. Environmental factor included available of food, urbanization, alteration of food intake, less activity, sedentary lifestyle, etc. The metabolic changes in obesity: dyslipidemias included increased serum free fatty acid, increased serum cholesterol, increased triacylglycerol and decreased HDL cholesterol. Glucose intolerance and insulin resistance. The complication of obesities are high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes mellitus, heart attack, stroke, arthritis, sleep apnea, thrombosis and gallstone. Here are some pictures of protein energy malnutrition, that is kwashiorkor. This is the picture of kwashiorkor. This is the picture of marasmus. This is the difference between marasmic and kwashiorkor children. Now, there are some important difference between kwashiorkor and marasmus. In kwashiorkor, the children are preschool children. The age is between 1 to 5 years of age. In marasmus, it is the infant less than 1 year of old. Kwashiorkor occurs due to low protein intake and marasmus occurs due to low calorie intake. In kwashiorkor, there is mild growth retardation, but in marasmus, there is severe growth retardation. In kwashiorkor, mild reduction of body weight, but in marasmus, severe reduction in the body weight. Protruding abdomen and subcutaneous fat is reserved in kwashiorkor, but sunken abdomen and subcutaneous fat is not preserved in marasmus. Ribs are not very prominent in kwashiorkor, but ribs are prominent in marasmus. Poor appetite, large fatty liver and edema is present in kwashiorkor, but there is no fatty liver and edema is not present in marasmus. The face is moon face in kwashiorkor. In marasmus, the children look like old men. The skin tone is changed in marasmus. The children are lethargic in kwashiorkor, but in marasmic children, they are alert but irritable. The kwashiorkor requires adequate amount of protein to come out from the problem, but in marasmus, they require adequate amount of protein, fat and carbohydrate. Now, BMI. What is BMI? Body mass index. BMI provide the measurement of relative weight adjusted for height. BMI indicates the nutritional status of an individual. The formula is weight in kg divided by height in meter square. Normal range is 18.5 to 24.9. Less than 18.5 is undernutrition and more than 25 to 29.9 is overweight, and obese more than 30 and extreme obese is more than 40. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.